we are looking at how to pronounce this German letter. This is the pronunciation of the letter O with an umlaut, so the two dots on top of the letter O. It does change the pronunciation. We'll be looking at how to say the other two letters that can have an umlaut on top of them, U and A. So if you're interested in learning more, make sure to stay tuned. So let's go back to how to pronounce the letter O with an umlaut on top of it. It is to be said with the sound. So this is very much like the French sound for the letter E. I know a lot of English speakers cannot pronounce that very well. So it's between an A, an R, and an O. R, you have to open your mouth quite a lot. O, you close your mouth. Well, is kind of in between. Is how you pronounce the German umlaut for the letter O. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.